was kind of a pain in the ass, like, to get in. And they gave me this opportunity to bring me and one loved one up, you know. My wife said it was a crock of shit. I'm sitting up here with my fucking space dog. You know, they had this ingenious idea to give the centrifugal force around the space station so everyone has the same gravity all the time. You know what happens? You know what, like, all the shit that my dog produces, like, she doesn't know how to shit in a bag. She doesn't know how to fucking piss out the fucking urine tube. You know, my dumbass thought, hey, I'll bring a female dog and it won't hump my leg in space. Hey, you know what, guess what? Female dog doesn't piss on a tree and lift its leg. You're all like, thanks, space dog. Yeah, Oh, you forgot about the period. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, I forgot to get my dog fixed, and so now she believes. You know what satellite action is? It's called, like, 180 days of not getting any. You know how they say there's a loss of bone density? It means everywhere. Sorry. If you have a Canadian arm, you're more likely to use it in a beneficial fashion. But at the same time, if you wear the Canadian tuxedo, it actually does kind of help. How are you gonna fucking build something with wood? You know, every time I try to build something, I want to put a Khalid ledger or something up there. Like, I want to put a deck out on the fucking space station. Every single time, they're just like, no, it's not gonna work. I have to tell them, no, we can make it happen. If I really needed to make it happen, I could build this place out of fucking toothpicks. I'll just glue them together until they become a nice deck. You know? A lot of people really don't believe when I tell them it would look nice. It would really accentuate the back pod. I'd say it was the foundation. You know, really, because it's not a very sturdy foundation. It's just kind of hanging. Well, if I was really going to do the station up nice, it's beautiful. It has a full-on ion lithium system with solar capacity, and which I thought was actually really impressive when I first came up here. But if I was really going to pimp this place out, I would think that it could really deal with a good back deck. Well, it would take a little bit of work, you know. You would have to pull up probably about 2,500 pounds of pine or some sort of substantial wood that would, you know, like really hold the weight of 0G, which is like, I don't know what exactly the tolerance is for a 0G, but they hired me to build the back deck on it, or so. Kind of assume that that's somewhere around like 30,000 pounds of pine, you know. You know, hey NASA, they're a really good big company. And they said, hey, check it out. You can be in space for like 180 days. It'll be great. You'll be having a super good time building a deck, you know? And it's fun. An astronaut, you're in goddamn space, fucking weightless. You know, like, if you're not fucking happy being a fucking goddamn astronaut, like what every kid in the goddamn planet wants to be, then I don't know. You know, but whatever. They're paying me a shitload of money. I decided to fucking come up here and fucking roll with the goddamn punches. You know, like, brought my dog. Dog's cool, except for the simple fact that, like, can't write a timesheet when your dog's climbing up your pant leg. They do that in outer space. Don't fuck.